Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Physics 2017 and the question goes thus. Mist is formed when we have all the given options, but first let us understand what is a mist. So a mist is a tiny droplet of water hanging in the air. This droplet form when warmer water in the air rapidly cooled, and this causes it to change from invisible gas into tiny visible water droplets. Okay, good. So mist is formed when air cools when its relative humidity is close to 100%. Yes, mist will be formed when the relative humidity rises up to 100%, at least greater than 70%. Okay, good. What about option B? Two warm air masses meet. Not at all. In fact, that cannot lead to a mist because the air must be cooled, that is, changing it from gas into water droplet. So this is wrong. C. Clouds mix up. This also is wrong. Option D. Water evaporates from oceans and exposed surfaces. Are we talking about the surfaces of the oceans? Well, a mist is often formed when warmer air over water suddenly encounters the cooler surface of the land. Okay, so this answer option is also incorrect. So the answer option A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.